So welcome back guys to our YouTube channel SYH Capital। आज हम एक नए वीडियो के साथ आए हैं जिसमें हम बेसिकली उन स्टॉक्स को कवर करेंगे जिसमें वॉलेटिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है, जिनके अराउंड बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ है, जिनके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम आ रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैक्शन है अराउंड दो स्टॉक्स। आज उन स्टॉक्स को कवर करेंगे। आज का स्टॉक मेरा रहेगा ओला इलेक्ट्रिक। इसमें बेसिकली बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोटर का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा प्लेजिंग का इशू है, कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन बहुत लो है, वॉल्यूम्स इतने ज़्यादा नहीं है, और आप देखोगे नंबर ऑफ यूनिट सोल्ड भी इतने नहीं है। सो एंड देयर इज लॉट ऑफ न्यूज़ एंड कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस इशू अराउंड द कंपनी। तो इसको चार्ट पे स्टडी करेंगे एंड देन वी विल गेट टू नो what are the details, nuances of this company. So let's get started. So चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं ओला इलेक्ट्रिक से। सो बेसिकली ये हमारा कुछ स्टॉक ऐसा दिखता है, continuously making lower highs and lower lows, which shows it's in a downtrend। कंपनी ऐसे इतना बहुत अच्छा नहीं कर रही है। अगस्त 2024 में लिस्ट हुई थी at around 75 rupees and then went all the way up to 150, almost doubled। आईपीओ में भी कुछ ऊपर ही खुला हुआ था, so that was the one positive। so starting में तो बहुत ट्रैक्शन आया क्योंकि ईवी सेगमेंट में है, बैटरीज में है, बैटरी सॉल्यूशंस में है। so the company was doing quite well in terms of the opening of the stock, and then the decline started। So this was a good pullback, and then this was a good what do you say, a good level। People might have thinking it might break out, and if you consider the story from here, so on from 150%, it has just given a continuation signal, so 38% retracement and then pulled back again। so this was the story। Then it came down, make a new low, tried to make a new low here, but was not able to, and then it made a lower low without giving a pullback। then it has given a strong pullback again from the previous swing high to this low। it was around again 38-50% retracement, these levels, which was also a previous supply zone। so they've seen a lot of stock has seen a lot of selling volumes here। if you see, a lot of volume participation is also here। so this is what I'm talking about, that people are not ready to what do you say, buy the stock, and they are just have exiting whenever their prices are hitting the screen। and then what happened, stock made a new low, the low it has made, and again given a pullback। if we see the pullback strength, it was not that much, again the 38% retracement। so this is a basic habit of the stock, and this is how the stock behaves। every stock has his own habits to behave, because it is, what you say, stocks get liquidity from the operators, and the operators behave in a certain way। so अगर आप ऐसे देखोगे तो it's a very good। so from the recent low, it has first time it has given a more than a 50% का retracement। if you count from bottom, the stock has almost given almost an 80%, 70-80% kind of a return here। so this is a very good win-win situation for the stock, considering the cheap valuation and also the mobility space। on the weekly time frame, you can see the lower highs and lower lows, which was consistently made by the stock, but now it has shown some kind of a rejection, you can say, or some kind of a what you say, some kind of a defense the stock is showing। but still, if you see, we have made a descending channel, and on from that point of view, the stock is getting rejected, and so this is a make or break zone for the stock, this stock, because people who are entered here, 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 here are trapped in this down move। their average price, they are almost at a lot of loss of 50%। so whenever the stocks pulls back, they are in a huge what do you say, huge psychological pressure that we should exit, or we should, मतलब यहाँ से प्रॉफिट बुक कर लॉस बुक करके निकल सकते हैं, कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट निकल सकते हैं। तो दैट इज द माइंडसेट ऑफ नॉर्मल पीपल एंड इंडिविजुअल ट्रेडर्स। So यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा volumes हैं in terms of selling pressure. So stock is facing that only. Currently, it is facing a lot of selling pressure and it might not able to follow. But what levels we have to see? We have to see these levels. So if it comes around 35, 34.5, and then take a reversal from here, this shows the trend has started to change, because recently it has made the same high but a lower low. So stock is trying to bottom out. There are a lot of volumes as well in this up move, and it was a one-sided up move without any hesitation or thinking twice. So this was a great signaling of bottoming out. And coming to the fundamental part, the stock doesn't look so nice. If you see the fundamental, it's a 16,000 crore market cap company. It's not profitable. ROC and or ROE are negative. There is no EV by EBITDA. Balance sheet is also gone for a toss. So if you see the company is also, in terms of sales, they are doing poorly. So they are almost at a 2 year back ka sales. So growth is negative. Operating profits are also negative. Even they are not profitable at the operational level. And if you see on the net profit basis, they are consistently growing in terms of their losses. So fundamentally, company doesn't sound so good. If you want to see positivity, the positivity is there. They have reduced the borrowing to some extent, but I don't think so. It's gonna help them a lot. They've also depleted on the reserves. Fixed assets are okay, but that factory in fixtures are not gonna do anything. And coming to cash and cash equivalent, they are maintaining a 3,000 crore cash in the books, which is of no use. So that's the problem with the company. And also the biggest red flag was the promoter selling their stake. So this was when in September, the guy has sold around 2.5% stake, and that was the problem. He said he is trying to support the company. He need that cash for the operation purposes. But I don't think so. Considering the overall turnaround, I don't think it's a very good stock right now. In charts, if that things goes started going up above 45 levels, I will be interested, because then it shows a sign of reversal, and there's a lot of up headroom is available for the stock. The major level is 45, and if you consider for the longer time frame, around 75 plus, the stock is good to go. So that's it for the Ola video, and we'll continue.